Hi, hello viewers. You are welcome to RK Educare and exclusive educational YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit notification bell for forthcoming videos. Like and share this video among your friends. In this video, we are going to learn a 6th class mathematics first chapter, that is knowing numbers. Now let us enter into the first exercise, which is the greatest and smallest among the group of numbers. 15,432, 15,892, 15,370, 15,524. The greatest number is 15,892 and the smallest number is 15,370. 25,073, 25,289, 25,800, 25,623. Among these numbers, 25,800 is the greatest number, 25,073 is the smallest number. 44,687, 44,645, 44,670, 44,602. Among these, the greatest number is 44,687, smallest number is 44,602. 75,671, 75,635, 75,641, 75,610. Among these, 75,671 is the greatest number, 75,610 is the smallest number. 34,895, 34,891, 34,899, 34,893. Among these numbers, 34,899 is the greatest number, 34,891 is the smallest number. Write the numbers in ascending or increasing order. 375, 1475, 15,951, 4,713. In ascending order, 375 comes first, 1475 comes next, 4,713 comes next, and in the last 15,951 comes. 9,347, 19,035, 22,570, 12,300. Among these numbers, 9,347 comes first, 12,300 comes second, 19,035 comes third, 22,570 comes last. We already know that in ascending order, smallest number comes first and the greatest number comes at the end. Write the numbers in descending order or decreasing order. In descending order, we know that the greatest number comes first and the smallest number comes in the end. 1,876, 89,715, 45,321, 89,254. Among these numbers, 89,715 comes first, 89,254 comes second, 45,321 comes third, and at the end 1,876 comes. 3,000, 8,700, 3,900, 18,500. Among these numbers, 18,500 comes first, 8,700 comes second, 3,900 comes third, and in the last 3,000 comes. Write the numbers in words. 72,642, 55,345, 66,600, 30,301. Write the numbers in figures. 40,270, 14,064, 9,700, 60,000. Form 4-digit numbers with the digits 4, 0, 3, 7 and find which is the greatest and the smallest among them. Now let us write the possible numbers formed by 4037. 4037, 4307, 4703, 3407, 3704, 3470, 4730, 7430, 7340, 4370, 3740, 7403 are the possible numbers formed by 4, 0, 3 and 7. The greatest number among all these is Smallest number is 3047. Let us enter into second exercise. Round of the following numbers to the nearest tens. 89's nearest 10 is 90. 415's nearest 10 is 420. 3951's nearest 10 is 3950. 4409's nearest 10 is 4410. Round of the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. 695's nearest hundred is 700. 36,152's nearest hundred is 36,200. 13,648's nearest hundred is 13,600. 93,618's nearest hundred is 93,600. Round of the following numbers to the nearest thousands. 3,415's nearest thousand is 3,000. 70,124's nearest thousand is 70,000. 8,765's nearest thousand is 9,000. 4,001's nearest thousand is 4,000. Write the numbers in short form. 3,000 plus 400 plus 7 is equal to 3,407. 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 1 is equal to 12,351. 30,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 5 is equal to 30,525. 90,000 plus 9,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9 is equal to 99,999. Write the expanded form of the numbers. 4,348. 4,348's expanded form is 4,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 8. 30,214. 30,214's expanded form is 30,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 4. 22,222. 22,222's expanded form is 20,000 plus 2,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 2. 75,025. 75,025's expanded form is 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 20 plus 5. Now let us enter into third exercise. Write the numbers using commas. We already have an idea how to place commas in Indian and international system of numeration. Its solution is given here. Write the numbers in words. 34,025, 7,09,115, 47 crore 60 lakh 317, 6 crore 18 lakh 7,000. Write the numbers in figures. 4,47,400, 60 lakh 2,775, 2 crore 50 lakh 40,303, 60 crore 60 lakh 60,600. Write the numbers in expanded form. 6,40,156, 63 lakh 20,500, 1 crore 25 lakh 30,275, 75 crore 80 lakh 19,202. Expanded form of 6,40,156 is 6 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 6. Expanded form of 63 lakh 20,500 is 60 lakhs plus 3 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 500. Expanded form of 1 crore 25 lakh 30,275 is 1 crore plus 20 lakhs plus 5 lakhs plus 30,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 5. Expanded form of 75 crore 80 lakhs 19,202 is 70 crore plus 5 crore plus 80 lakhs plus 10,000 plus 9,000 plus 200 plus 2. Write the following numbers in short form or standard notation. Short form of 50 lakhs plus 4 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 8,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 4 is 54 lakh 28,524. Short form of 6 crore plus 40 lakhs plus 3 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 500 plus 1 is 6 crore 43 lakh 20,501. Short form of 3 crore plus 3 lakhs plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 80 plus 1 is 3 crore 3 lakh 7,881. Short form of 7 crore plus 70 lakhs plus 7,000 plus 70 is 7 crore 70 lakh 7,070. Which is larger among these two? Use greater than symbol and write 4,67,612 or 18,71,964. Among these two, 18,71,964 is greater. So 18,71,964 is greater than 4,67,612. 14 crore 35 lakh 10,300 or 14 crore 25 lakh 10,300. Among these two, 14 crore 35 lakh 10,300 is greater. So 14 crore 35 lakh 10,300 is greater than 14 crore 25 lakh 10,300. Which is smaller among these two? Use less than symbol and write 2,15,000 or 99,999. The smaller number is 99,999. So 99,999 is smaller than or less than 2,15,000. 13,50,050 or 13,49,785. Among these two, 13,49,785 is a smaller number. So 13,49,785 less than 13,50,050. Write any 10 numbers with digits 5 in crores place, 2 in lakhs place, 1 in 10,000s place, 6 in tens place and 3 in ones place. Keep any digits in the remaining places. Let us fill 5 in crores place, 2 in lakhs place, 1 in 10,000s place, 6 in tens place, 3 in ones place and 1, 2, 3 in the remaining places. Then the number is 5 crore 12 lakh 12,363. Now let us enter into fourth exercise. Write the numbers using commas according to International System of Numeration. In International System of Numeration, commas are placed for every 3 digits from right to the left. Then the number is 97,645,315. This number is 20,048,421. This number is 476,356. It is 9,490,026,834. Collect the mobile numbers of your friends and other family members. Write them using commas and read them in International System. Here some numbers are given and we already know that commas are placed for every 3 digits from right to the left. Write the numbers in words in both Indian and International System. First number according to Indian System of Numeration 12 crore 31 lakh 15,027. As per International System of Numeration 123,115,027. Second number as per International System of Numeration 89,643,092. Read the number carefully and answer the following. 302,179,468. The digit at millions place is 2. The digit at hundreds place is 4. The digit in 10 millions place is 0. How many millions are there in the number? There are 302 millions. Now let us enter into fifth exercise. The number of people who visited during Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first 4 days was recorded as 15,290, 14,181, 14,235 and 10,578. Find the total number of people visited in these 4 days. Find the answer. We have to add number of people visited on all the 4 days. Number of people visited on first day 15,290, on second day 14,181, on third day 14,235, on fourth day 10,578. Number of people visited in all the 4 days is 54,284. In Lok Sabha election, the elected candidate got 5,87,500 votes and the defeated candidate got 3,52,768. By how many votes did the winner win the election? To find the answer, we have to subtract the defeated candidate's votes from the winner's votes. Votes got by elected candidate 5,87,500. Votes got by defeated candidate 3,52,768. Let us find the difference. To find the difference, we have to subtract. Then the difference is 2,34,732. Write the greatest and smallest 5-digit number formed by the digits 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7 and find the difference. The greatest 5-digit number formed by the given digits 75,430. The smallest 5-digit number formed by the given digits 30,457. Now let us find the difference. To find the difference, we have to subtract. The difference is 44,973. A bicycle industry makes 3,125 bicycles each day. Find the total number of bicycles manufactured for the month of July. To find the answer, we have to know which mathematical operation is to be selected and how many days are there in the month of July. Number of bicycles made in one day 3,125. Number of days in the month of July 31. So we have to multiply the number of days with number of bicycles made in each day. Number of bicycles made in all 31 days means by the end of month of July 31 into 3,125. After multiplication we can get answer that number of bicycles made in 31 days is 96,875. A helicopter covers 600 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance will it cover in 4 hours? Express your answer in meters. To find the answer, we have to multiply number of hours and number of kilometers covered in 1 hour. Distance covered by helicopter in 1 hour is 600 kilometers. So, how much distance does it cover in 4 hours? Distance covered by helicopter in 4 hours is 4 into 600 equal to 2400 kilometers. Here we have to convert kilometers into meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Then 2400 kilometers is equal to how many meters? To calculate it, 2400 into 1000, that is equal to 24 lakh meters. So the helicopter covered in 4 hours is 2400 kilometers or 24 lakhs meters. The total weight of a box of 5 biscuit packets of same size is 8 kg 400 grams. What is the weight of each packet? To find the answer, we have to divide number of biscuit packets with the total box weight. Here we have to convert kgs into grams. 8 kg 400 grams is equal to 8,400 grams. Weight of the box with 5 biscuit packets is 8,400 grams. Then what is the weight of each biscuit packet? Weight of each biscuit packet is 8,400 grams divided by 5. Then weight of each biscuit packet is 1,680 grams or 1 kg 680 grams. The distance between the school and the bus stop is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day Gayatri walks about the ways to attend the school. Find the total distance she walked in 6 days. To find the answer, we have to know her 1 day journey. Thereafter we can find her journey for 6 days. Here we have to convert kilometers into meters. 1 kilometer 875 meters is equal to 1875 meters because kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Distance between the school and bus stop is 1875 meters. On a day for up and down 1875 meters into 2. So the distance covered in 1 day is 3750. The distance covered in 6 days is equal to 3750 into 6. So after multiplication we can get the answer that the distance covered in all 6 days is 22,500 meters. When we convert to 22,500 meters into kilometers, 22 kilometers 500 meters or 22.5 kilometers. A cloth required to make a shirt of school uniform for each boy is 1 meter 80 centimeters. How many shirts can tailor stitch using 40 meters of cloth? How much cloth will be left? To find the answer, we have to divide entire cloth by one shirt cloth. Then we get a number of shirts can be made. Thereafter, we have to subtract used cloth from entire cloth to get leftover cloth. Here meters to be converted to centimeters. 1 meter 80 centimeters is equal to 180 centimeters. 40 meters are equal to 4000 centimeters. Cloth required to make one shirt is equal to 180 centimeters. How many number of cloths can be made from 40 meters? Number of shirts can be made from 40 meters is equal to 4000 divided by 180. Then after the division we can get the answer that 22. Number of shirts can be made is 22. Now for 22 cloths, how much cloth we have used? The used cloth for 22 shirts is equal to 22 into 180 equal to 3960 centimeters. The leftover cloth after stitching is 40 centimeters. Leftover cloth after stitching 22 shirts is 4000 minus 3960, then 40 centimeters. Cloth leftover after stitching the shirts is equal to 40 centimeters. The cost of petrol is 60 per liter. A petrol bunk sells 750 liters of petrol on a day. How much money do they get at the end of the day? To find the answer, we have to multiply cost of petrol per liter and number of liters sold. Cost of 1 liter petrol is equal to 60 rupees. Then what is the cost of 750 liters of petrol sold by bunk? Cost of 750 liters of petrol sold by bunk is 750 into 60. Then after multiplication we can get that 45,000. So the cost of 750 liters of petrol sold by bunk on a day is 45,000 rupees.